I'm a singer, songwriter, I'm an entertainer. I work in the entertainment industry. Um, and I really want to do this video because I wanted to share my experience having this disease and all that I've been going through since I got this. Um, about 17 months ago, I met Dr. Barbach. I found him over the internet. I was pretty much desperate. I was pretty much hopeless. I was through many medical opinions. I also went to my country. I'm from Venezuela, and see doctors over there because I was trying not only to find out what was wrong with me, but also I was trying to find a cure, and I was trying to find a way to get rid of all the symptoms. I felt drained, I felt sick, I felt tired, I felt like my life was completely and absolutely out of control. I couldn't even perform, I couldn't even sing. I'm a singer, like my voice was weird, everything was a mess, and I was pretty depressed because all the doctors I went, they told me first that I wouldn't be able to have kids, and then first of all they said to me that the only option I had was to have surgery. And for a person like me who is a singer, songwriter, and works with the voice, it's not an option. There's a lot of researches about all the risks that you take when you do surgery, and if you're a singer, for your vocal cords. And the other option that the doctors and the people gave me, or the doctors gave me, the normal doctors gave me, was radiation. And of course I want to have a baby, so that wasn't an option either. After that, they gave me to take pills, and I felt like literally I was dying. My face, I started getting all inflamed, saggy. I look terrible in the mirror. So imagine for a person like me that works in cameras, that works for entertainment, looking so bad. I was so depressed. I was so desperate. My husband, I was driving nuts, my family, and I couldn't function. Thanks God, I found Dr. Barbach. He explained to me what is this about. Nobody never told me, never mentioned before Graves' disease or Hashimoto's. He was the first one. At the beginning, I didn't really understand much what he said, but I was so desperate, I needed a hope. And he explained to me in a very simple way and in a scientific way that made me trust him. Also, was the other side was not cheap. It was expensive, and in a moment where economy is bad and everything is so expensive, and I have an expensive insurance that I'm paying. Being with Dr. Barbach wasn't really the perfect scenario for me, but at that moment, I have no other choice. I felt that was the only way that I have to really find another solution, or something different. And 7 months after, I thank God for that, and I am so happy, and I thank Dr. Barbach because 7 months here I am, a new martyr. I feel great. All the majority of the symptoms are gone. I struggle a lot with the diet. I struggle a lot with all the things that I had to change in my life. But you know what? It's worth it. It's worth it. Now I can see myself feeling better. I can see myself that some days I don't feel 100% perfect, but I feel 98% perfect. Which for a person who was 5% good, that's a lot. Accomplishment in 7 months. I feel I got my period again back. I got my skin beautiful. Little by little, all the sagginess in my eyes, I'm getting rid of it. And guess what? I went back to a doctor, and the first blood test I got, I have all my values abnormal and crazy. And then I went to this doctor. She said to me that it was impossible that with changing my diet and doing everything that this natural doctor was saying to me that I will be healthy. And you know what? I get back to the doctor, to the same doctor, and I show her my blood test, and she was amazed. She couldn't believe that with all the things that I did, I got all my values back to normal. Of course, this is a lifestyle change, and we have to, all the people that we are going through this disease, we have to understand that we have the responsibility with ourselves and to really be strict with our diet and be committed with the fact that we want to be healthy. This is not the end of the disease, because we have to live with this, but we can have quality of life if we do the right stuff. Thank you, Dr. Barbach. And this is my experience, and I wanted to share with all your patients and the people that don't know you. And because I've been through this, and now I can see the light after the night. And I can see the light at the end of the road. I've been going through this whole thing with Hashimoto's disease.